Hello everyone. I have one more video that is very important for data management on Epiinfo software. So this video include or have a content with open a different data file in Epiinfo for data analysis, and the second is how to display the data variable. It means you can easily to see the field of the data file, and the third is talking about create line listing, and the last one in the video is talking about how to sort data by ascending or descending with the variable on your data. So let's start with classic analysis. On the button here, click here, classic analysis. So you will see the left hand side of the screen is the command list to read the data, to analyze the data with the Epiinfo. So first I'm talking about how to open the different data file into the Epiinfo for data analysis. So I will introduce two files. One file is Microsoft Access and another one file is Microsoft Excel. So we can read the data from Microsoft Access and Microsoft Excel for data analysis on Epiinfo. So the first, look at the read command here. Click on the read command here and try to look to choose it's not Epiinfo7 project. If your data is created with Epiinfo project, you can choose this one. But if your data get from another different file, you can choose. Example, like I want to choose from Microsoft Access 2002 or to 2003 or Microsoft Access 2007. So the example I will choose Microsoft Access to 2002 to 2003 MDB, and click on the browse button to browse your file. Here click on the browse, and this the sample data. You can click on cholera outbreak Ratnagiri, click open and click OK. So this one is the data source. Select and click OK. Here you will see your data is come in to Epiinfo data analysis dashboard. There are 36 records here. So it means that you can read the data that have 36 records. So another one, we can read the data from click the read, and I'm trying to read the data from Microsoft Excel 2003 or 2007. Try to use this one and browse. Okay, food poisoning here. Click open. So please notice that this one should be ticked because the first row contains the header information. It means that the first row as a variable. It means that the first row in Microsoft Excel should be should be the variable for your data. So make sure that before you read the data from Microsoft Excel, so that your data in Microsoft Excel should be a database. It means that the first row is the variable name, meaning the column name, and make sure that you don't have a merge cell in Microsoft Excel. Don't have a title. You just have only the first row is the name of the variable, or the column name, or the exactly is variable only. Tick here and click OK. So you can choose. I forgot it. I don't know, sheet 1, sheet 2 or sheet 3. Try to choose sheet 1. It is the sheet your data store. Okay, here 46 record. So it is the reading data or open data file, different data file to Epiinfo7 for data analysis. So the next one I'm talking about display data variable. Before you analyze the data, you need to know about the field name. So if you don't know the field name, you will difficult to analyze the data. So we click display menu or display command here display, and you choose variable and click OK. So you will see here is the prompt. Here is variable. So the variable will appear on your screen, so you can see which variable, which one that you want to know, and you can easy for data analysis. Okay, it is display command. We used to display variable that easy for data analysis. Data analyzer easy to know the field for analysis. So, or if difficult, you can read another file. Microsoft Access, browse. Can I use Colora? Okay, 36 record here, and you can display to see the variable name here. It is the prompt and it is the variable name. You can see it easy to see the variable name here. Fever with draft, something like that. Then okay, so let's start with another content. We are talking about create line listing. What is line listing? The line listing is similar like the data on the spreadsheet or in Microsoft Excel, and you will see all the data in your dashboard. So try to click list here and try to choose which one you want to do a line listing, or you want to do all. You can select star, it means you want to do all. The display mode should be printable, exploitable, or grid. But this one for low update is not enable for you for update the data here. You can read only. So I will choose the grid. It's easy to see. Click OK. Okay, here. So you can see the data here. the data here with variable name and all the data from your data sheet. Okay, it is line listing. You can see the data but cannot edit. You can read only here. We can close, and we can display some variable, example like 8 case education, and what you want, abdominal pain, and click OK. So you can see only the 4 variables that you choose. It is with the line listing. And one more, we can sort this data. It's easy to see. So example like 8, you can, it is the data that mixed together. It's difficult to understand. So if you want to sort, you can click the command sort here. Okay, the sort we have 2 options or 3 options. If the data sort before, you can remove sort, but this one we have 2 options. We have 2 options, ascending and descending. What it mean, ascending? Ascending, it means you can sort from low to high. We are talking about the number if from low to high, if the character from A to Z. But descending is opposite, from high to low for the number and from Z to A for the letter. So I will try with ascending and double click on variable that you want to sort. Here age, it means ascending, 2 plus sign, and 2 minus sign, it means descending. Click OK, and you can list again with the age. Here only one with one variable only. Click OK. So you will see the low number is the top, the high number is the bottom. Okay, if you want to sort with again, click the sort, and you can sort with 8 but descending. Here 2 minus sign, click OK, and list again. 8. So you will see the big number is the top and the low number of the 8 is the bottom. It is very easy with Epiinfo data analysis. So that's all for data management, and I will try to do more video related with data analysis on Microsoft on Epiinfo software. Oh sorry, one more. If you don't want to click the command in the left hand side, you can write here, display here, it is the code, and you can select and run this command. Here you can see here it's the same, or you can write, if you are remember, you can write the code here. So you will run the command and display to you to see the result. If you want to remember, and try to remember from now on. Okay, thank you so much for your expensive time, for your attention, and I hope you will enjoy with Epiinfo data management, and I promise I will introduce more on data analysis. Okay, thank you so much. See you next video with the variable on your data. So let's start with classic analysis. On the button here, click here, classic analysis. So you will see the left hand side of the screen is the command list to read the data, to analyze the data with the Epiinfo. So first I'm talking about how to open the different data file into the Epiinfo. Hello everyone, I have one more video that is very important for data management on Epiinfo software. So you can easily to see the field of the data file, and the third is talking about create line listing, and the last one in the video is talking about how to sort data by ascending or descending. This video include or have a content with open a different data file in Epiinfo for data analysis, and the second is how to display the data variable. It means